Hello, MotoGP enthusiasts. Welcome back to ZNGP Today. Breaking news from the MotoGP world as Francesco Bagnaia secures the 2023 MotoGP World Championship title after a dramatic Valencia Grand Prix. Let's delve into the thrilling events that unfolded, leading to Bagnaia's championship victory. Before we continue, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. In a title-deciding race, Francesco Bagnaia claims the 2023 MotoGP World Championship crown after his rival, Jorge Martin, crashes out while attempting to pass Marc Marquez. The dramatic incident reshuffles the race order, adding suspense to Bagnaia's title aspirations. Bagnaia's championship journey unfolds as he overcomes challenges during the Valencia Grand Prix. A pre-race boost, grid penalties, and intense on-track battles contribute to the excitement. Bagnaia's resilience and strategic racing secure his position as the first repeat champion since Marc Marquez in 2019. The Valencia Grand Prix delivers edge-of-the-seat action with multiple crashes, overtakes, and a last-lap showdown. Brad Binder and Jack Miller's misfortunes, coupled with Fabio Di Giannantonio's spirited challenge, set the stage for an unforgettable finale. Bagnaia's composure under pressure proves decisive in securing the championship. The race day also marks farewells as Marc Marquez, Fabio Di Giannantonio, Franco Morbidelli, Johann Zarco, Pol Espargaro, and Luca Marini bid adieu to their current teams. Additionally, reigning Moto2 champion Pedro Acosta prepares for his MotoGP debut, adding anticipation to the upcoming Valencia test. As Francesco Bagnaia celebrates his hard-fought victory and secures the 2023 MotoGP World Championship, the Valencia Grand Prix leaves fans with a spectacle of triumphs, farewells, and promising debuts. Stay tuned for more MotoGP news update with ZNGP Today, and this has been your MotoGP World Championship recap.